Welcome back to Learn to Code. Today we're talking about HSL, Hue Saturation Lighting, the system to define a color, much like RGB. Alright, here we're inside of an HTML document. So first of all, the hue. The hue is the first digit inside your HSL. So your hue works on a 360-degree range, 0 being red, 120 being green, 240 being blue. Leaving the hue to 0 is equivalent to red. After the hue, we have the saturation. This ranges from 0 to 100%. Your saturation determines how prominent your hue is in your color. After the saturation, we have the lighting. The lighting ranges from 0 to 100%. Lighting determines the brightness of your color. If we increment the hue by a few points, we'll see the changes. Adding 10 to our hue brings a red closer to green. So you can see we now have a more orange color. Reducing the saturation tones down the prominence of the color. Reducing the lighting brightens your color. Reducing your lighting too far makes your color too dark. For the brightest color possible, you balance your lighting in the middle at 50%. The last value we haven't discussed is alpha. Alpha is not required to have an HSL value. Alpha determines your opacity, and it's measured between 0 and 1. If you would like to use alpha, add an A at the end of HSL. And here we implement your fourth value. 0.5 reduces this to 50% opacity, and 0.3 would be 30% opacity. That concludes our tutorial on HSL. This has been Learn to Code, and we hope he helps you understand how to use HSL better.